Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Anthony with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. I'm here with the boys from MC Housing, M&R Construction Group. We got Mike right here. We got Ricky over here. And the boys coming over here to kind of look at the windows. Did a phenomenal job installing them. And coming to do some enhancements to the exterior wrapping. Why don't you give me a shout and tell you what you're going to do, man.
We're going to wrap these windows. They're going to look perfect.
Come on over here, Mike. Get you some airtime, baby.
Get these things wrapped with metal. Make it look real nice on the
outside. Yeah.
Yo, we're going to fix up the interior so it look pretty.
That's right, baby.
Do a good job for Anthony here.
Yeah, see, it's all about partnership, man. So I keep telling everybody, like, there's enough out here for everybody to eat. And so when you got all these small businesses, you got guys coming up. I mean, these boys are younger than I am. I just wish I had the drive and the mentality and the hustle that these boys had, you know, at this age, man. But, you know, but it's super cool. So to be able to provide opportunities, and I'm always talking about the trickle-down effect of real estate investing, right? So, like, when you purchase a home, this was a complete and total dump. I think Mike's seen this property before.
I saw it.
Well, like, you look at it, right? So we acquired this property. The previous homeowner literally just stopped by, like, what, 5 minutes ago, if that?
Yeah.
You know? So we helped him out of a tough situation. This property was bringing the other property values in the neighborhood down, so we helped him out. The township, we paying taxes on the property. We spent tens of thousands of dollars at Home Depot and Lowe's. You know what I'm saying? You got these boys right here that came through and installed the windows. We had Los Reyes Roofing up on the top, fixing the roof. We had James Leonard come through and do all new piping and plumbing throughout the house. Had Dan Thompson, Monte Rady, Brian Jackson, you know, all organized by Fahad Khan to come in here and take care of the interior. Got my buddy Rick that helped out. You had York Water out here. You had Columbia Gas out here running a new line. You had APR that we're buying stuff from. So, like, it's the trickle-down effect. So when you're buying a property, you're not just doing it for the homeowner and for the seller. Like, you're doing it to create opportunity, especially in the midst of a pandemic, to help other folks out. You know what I mean? So it's cool to be able to do that, man. So give me y'all take, man, on what y'all think of the property so far, man. What do you think?
Love it.
Yeah,
it's coming in smooth. You
did
a real good job.
Man,
I love it.
Very well done.
I mean, yeah, I'm stoked, man. I can't take no credit for this. The boys, I mean, even the floor. Like, look at y'all. If y'all remember, this floor was a little light, but it was covered in feces and junk and all this other stuff. So, like, you kind of see now, you know, this new stain that's going in. That new French door that we just put in a couple of days ago. We still got to come and trim it out. But it's looking really good, and literally you can just walk right out to your brickyard, patio, oasis back here. I ain't gonna go out right now, but yeah, all that set. Cabinets are in here. Jake Cabinets, another small business here in York that we put on. Tammy says all of our kicks match. Yeah, that's right. We all we all rocking the booties right now. But yeah, y'all check out the steps. Everything's been stained, so we came purposely with a darker color. This is the first coating. So the reason we got the booties on because it's not dry yet. So I just kicked the heat up a little bit to help the property dry a little bit more. Come upstairs. Ooh wee. Now this is the first time I've been in a house since it's stained, so like I'm getting the first look, just like everybody who's watching look. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, y'all, check this. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can we get some light on in here? Okay, they must be playing with the electric again. Oh my God. Yes, Kim, this is the original wood. This is the original wood in the house from 1940, literally. And we restored this. The boys sanded literally for 2 days, spent sanding the edges. And then they came in and put this stain down. So it's gonna go one more stain. You can see it's a little darker here, a little lighter here. So some areas of the wood are soaking it in more than others. So we getting all that done. Oh, the bathroom got cleaned up real nice. And so next week we're going to be putting the vanities and the toilets in, cabinets in. The appliances are coming on Wednesday, so we're getting that in. I don't know whose footprint that is, but while they do that, come on, man. Fahad, if this was you, I'm gonna get you, son. I don't know who came up here without booties on, tracking footprints through the house, man. Not cool. But I mean, y'all, look at this. Just look at this. Look how this color turns on the wood, though. It just sets everything off. Then we're gonna come in next week, paint these window benches. Yeah, this is it. Well, I got the boys downstairs. I don't want to be rude. Plus, I gotta go collect rent from a tenant around the corner. So just wanted to pop in, say happy Sunday to y'all, show y'all an update on the property. Yeah, we are very, very pumped and stoked about it. So again, you got the boys here, MC Housing, NY Construction, no doubt. And I know they're probably gonna have like 5 other businesses going here soon, but y'all keep an eye on these boys right here.
Yes, sir.
All right. Tammy, you laughing at my hat? Yeah, I got a lot of these hats, man. So like, winter's my favorite time. I get to rock my boots and my hats and stuff. Anyways, y'all, happy Sunday. God bless. And you got Anthony Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time, here with the boys with MC Housing and NR Construction. And stay tuned. We'll give y'all the finishing touches later.